Learn how to register for classes and set up your online class schedule in this brief tutorial. From the dashboard of your MySUU portal, look in the top right corner to find and click on the registration button. This opens the registration schedule builder. Select the term for which you want to register. Then select the Accelerated Programs Campus to ensure you see only the online 7-week courses available to you. To search for courses, you must first find and click on the Add a Course button near the bottom of the screen. To look up individual courses, use the Search by Subject feature. Use the convenient drop-down menus to find what you need. Then click the Add Course button to move it into the Courses column. Once in the Courses column, you will see the course description. Continue searching courses and adding them to your selection. If you need to remove a course from your Courses column, simply click on the red X in the top right corner of that course. When you have found and selected all the courses you want, go to the bottom left corner and click Done. This will return you to the main schedule builder, where you will generate your schedule. In order to register, you must first create a schedule and add it to your academic shopping cart. We recommend you do this before registration opens so you can save time on registration day. Check the courses list to ensure the courses you want are all listed. Then, click the Generate Schedules button. You can view the details of each schedule option by hovering over the magnifying glass or by clicking View. Once you've decided which schedule you like best, click the corresponding view link, then click on the Send to Shopping Cart button. Once in your shopping cart, go to the top right corner and click the Register button. A pop-up screen will ask you to confirm your registration schedule. If you have a pop-up blocker, be sure to permit pop-ups from this website. Congratulations! You are now registered. Need help? Contact your SUU Online Advisor at 435-865-8653 or online outreach at suu.edu.